Congratulations on your purchase of an Aqueon aquarium. Today, we will be providing step-by-step guidance in setting up your new aquarium. In this tutorial, we will be showing you a setup of a 1.6-gallon Aqueon MiniCube aquarium used for freshwater fish. First, find a suitable location for your new aquarium, keeping in mind future maintenance, outside lighting that may cause issues with nuisance algae and temperature fluctuations, and the weight of your aquarium. Be sure to find a level location and use an approved stand to accommodate the weight of your new aquarium, as well as one that is appropriately sized. Next, rinse gravel and decor in fresh water. Slowly add gravel to the bottom of the aquarium until the bottom is completely covered and the gravel depth is 1 to 3 inches. Cover the base of plants and bottom of decor items with gravel to hold securely in place. Next, slowly add room temperature water to your aquarium, taking note not to disturb any of your newly added gravel and decor, and continue filling until the aquarium is about 3/4 full. Adding a water conditioner to the aquarium will help aid in neutralizing any chlorine typically found in tap water and help to reduce the stress on fish as they become familiar with their new home. We are now ready to add filtration and lighting to your aquarium. Plug in all your electrical equipment and install using the drip loop method. This will ensure that any water drips will not reach the electrical outlet. Install the filter, taking care to rinse any filter media prior to installation. Prior to adding any fish to your aquarium, wait at least 24 hours to allow temperature and water to stabilize. We are now ready to add live fish to our new aquarium. First, place your fish while still in the bag into the aquarium and allow them to sit for 20 minutes. This will help ensure that the fish are properly acclimated to the change in temperature from the water inside the bag to the temperature in the aquarium. After 20 minutes, open the bag and add approximately a half a cup of aquarium water into the bag with the fish inside. Wait 5 minutes and repeat this step again. Carefully allow fish to enter the aquarium. Some final tips for success. Keep lights on for 8 hours a day, but no more than 10. Doing so will help reduce algae growth inside your aquarium. Feed fish 2 to 3 times a day in small amounts. Finally, change about 10% of the water weekly to keep your aquarium looking its best.